kingfisher out there. There are so many salmon right there. They're just stationary. There's so many right here. They're just stationary, not moving. They're probably exhausted from swimming up here. So I'm making a movie and nobody's going to call the police on me. I'm not going to be hiking in a storm. And I'm not going to talk about the things I hate about my new luxury car, my new luxury watch. It's just going to be a walk out in nature and have a look around. Really love these old bridges. Well, we're out doing a little goofing around today and some exploring here on the Tuolumne River. We saw a whole bunch of salmon back there, so the salmon are running. This is November the 1st. You never know what you're going to see when you come out to a place like this. Just absolutely beautiful. Took a lot of climbing and bushwhacking to get here, but we made it. Man, that was a really tough trail, but definitely worth it. That doesn't even look real, you know it? It's incredible. Well, that was a lot of work to climb back in here. The road only went about halfway and then the trail got pretty rough. But wow, pretty spectacular. Very, very spectacular, I should say. Well, there is an old concrete fence post right there. You never know what you're going to find when you come out of a place like this. Wooden fence post? Concrete fence post. Well, we're wrapping up another day of exploring here in the middle of California. You just never really know what you're going to find when you get outside and start walking around. Always fun to go on a little adventure. Well, we thought the day was over. We were headed back to the car. Then my wife realized she'd lost her cell phone. So now we're backtracking. I don't know how far, probably only about a mile we'll have to go to find it. We think we know where she dropped it, but it's starting to get dark also. Found the cell phone, so now we're headed back, and I think we only had to walk back about a mile probably, but it was on a good trail, so, and the phone wasn't damaged, so everything's good. We had a great day.